Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
In the days to come, a lineup of significant economic data releases is set to unfold. With high-impact reports leading the way, it's important for investors and traders to monitor these announcements to anticipate potential market movements and volatility. As we move through this week, these economic updates will be closely watched. Make sure to stay informed and ready to adapt to any shifts in market trends.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices held steady as softer than expected US retail sales data reinforced traders' expectations that the Federal Reserve will trim interest rates in December. Alphabet was on track to hit a historic $4 trillion market valuation, powered by an impressive year-long rally fueled by the Google parent's sharpened focus on artificial intelligence tools. Tokyo-listed Bitcoin treasury company Metaplanet has drawn another $130 million in Bitcoin-backed credit, expanding its use of collateralized borrowing to accelerate BTC purchases, income generation strategies, and potential share buybacks.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.5% against the yen. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.0% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair fell 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.